Hi guys, just a quick video how to install the blade wiper for the Ford Explorer. This one. Hi guys, today we will show you how to install the blade wiper of the Ford Explorer 2015 Sport Type, and this is my old one. Yeah, and then this is the new one. We buy this from Walmart, and yeah, this is some guidelines how to install. Yeah, we will show you how to install this one. It is very tricky because you need to insert this one first, like this, and then on. Yeah, and then lock, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, you can see it's working.